A very good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science online class. Students, today we are going to start chapter 25 in civics. What is democracy? Democracy. Democracy, in the word democracy, demos means the people and kratos means to rule. So, democracy means rule by the people. It means that the power has people has the power to elect their representative. Okay, or you can say that democracy is a form of government that allows people to choose their rulers, representative. Okay, मीन्स पब्लिक को पीपल को ये अलाउ होता है, मतलब परमिशन होती है वो वोट के थ्रू अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को चूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, अपने लीडर को इलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इन अ डेमोक्रेसी ओनली लीडर्स इलेक्टेड बाय पीपल शुड रूल द कंट्री. जो इलेक्टेड बाय पीपल मतलब जो लोगों द्वारा चुने जाते हैं वही कंट्री को रूल कर सकते हैं हमारे डेमोक्रेसी गवर्नमेंट में. एंड पीपल हैव द फ्रीडम to express views, freedom to organize and freedom to protest. Okay. Now, we say that democracy is the best form of government from other forms of government. Then why it is the best? There are some certain points. First, it gives equal rights and freedom to all citizens of our country. Okay. I think you have understand this point that it give a equal rights and freedom. हम सारे नागरिक को ये इक्वल राइट्स ऑफ फ्रीडम देती है, अधिकार देती है. डेमोक्रेसी रिसेंट्स डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कास्ट, क्रीड और रिलीजन. डेमोक्रेसी के अंदर कास्ट, क्रीड, रेस, रिलीजन इन सबको लेके कोई भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होता है. वो किसी के साथ भेदभाव नहीं करती हैं. इट प्रोवाइड स्पेस टू करेक्ट इट्स मिस्टेक. अगर हमसे कोई मिस्टेक हो जाती है तो उनको वो सही करने का भी मौका दिया जाता है. डेमोक्रेसी इज द बेस्ट government because it is accountable, legitimate, reasonable and transparent. Okay, and last and final, democracy enhances the dignity of citizen. Okay, it also ensures that the rights of the citizens are protected by the state and government functions according to the laws. Okay, there is a division of power in the constitution. In our constitution between the legislature, executive and the judiciary, to prevent any organ of the government from becoming too powerful. So, the government's policies and measures are closely and evaluated by the people through the media and the opposition parties. So, these all are the reasons that why the democracy is the best form of government. Now, there are the other forms of government also, which are, but there are many countries which have a non-democratic governments. So let us read this other forms of government. First is authoritarian government. What is authoritarian government? It is a non-democratic form of government. It is a small group of elites with power over the state. In this government, where a leader or group of people who are not elected by the citizens held all the powers of the state. मतलब सारे ग्रुप ऑफ इलेक्ट्स चूज तो किए जाते हैं लेकिन जो पावर होती है वो सारे किसके अंदर हाथों में होती है? स्टेट के हाथों में होती है. Citizens with little or no input into the selection of leaders and decisions of government is there. No constitutional responsibility of leader to the public. लीडर की कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं होती पब्लिक के लिए. जो होती है वो स्टेट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है. एंड रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑफ सिविल राइट्स एंड सिविल लाइबिलिटीज आर देयर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज totalitarian governments. Totalitarian governments are political system where a single individual or group of individuals wields all the powers of the state. Means one party dominates government. Powerful dictator usually in charge. Who is the powerful? He will in charge that state. Okay, state more important people. In this what happened? Violence, secret police forces used to make people obey. जो पावरफुल होगा वह अपने अधिकारों से जो पब्लिक है या जो वीक है उनको दबाने की कोशिश करेगा. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर नीड्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर प्रॉफिट्स, व्हाट दे डू, दे किक्स आउट एनीवन दैट गोज अगेंस्ट देम. ओके, एंड इन दिस गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल्स पर्सनल लाइव्स ऑल्सो. गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल इकोनॉमिक्स, all this are in this authoritarian government. Now totalitarian government. Now next is military dictatorship. Military dictatorship is another form of an authoritarian government. It is like a authoritarian government only, means सत्तावादी गवर्नमेंट की तरह ही होती है. ओके इसमें सिर्फ एक ही डिफरेंस होता है कि दैट पावर इज कंट्रोल बाय द मिलिट्री पर्सनल कंट्रोल और डिसीजंस. All key political positions are controlled through a military council in this. Okay, the government controls the media and all the judiciary also. Now next is absolute monarchy and the constitutional monarchy. First we will going to read about the absolute monarchy. Absolute monarchy is a form of government where one person, typically a king or a queen, holds absolute power. You all know this monarchy, that is the same as absolute monarchy, in which all the power resides in a one person, that may be king or queen. Okay, the monarch is the highest and the most powerful authority in the country. The monarch has a limited power and authority. Okay, now examples are given here. Now in the same way, in constitutional monarchy, the constitutional monarchy is a form of government in which a country is ruled by a monarch whose power is limited by a constitution. Okay, he is a monarch, but the limitation is given by the constitutions. The monarch is a purely ceremonial ruler or a de facto head of the state. The monarch shares the power with the parliament or another legislative body. Okay, and here also examples are given. Now next is communist government. What is communist government? It is a political and economic system in which the government controls all business. Individual people cannot own property or industries, and in theory people of all social classes are treated equally. Communist countries have a totalitarian government and all communists are socialist, but not all socialists can be communist. Okay, so this is a communist government. Now students, we have done the half portion of our chapter. So watch the video and read the chapter. Most important thing is that read the chapter so that you can understand the your chapter and you can understand your problems also, that where you are getting the problem. Okay, thank you.